talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Yeah. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey. Big talks of the town, big boy gang moves. I like to walk around with my
Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. Every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich,
yeah. When you diamond colder than a boot, then you know you lit. When you quit, take
it. Hey guys, it's Gymnastics here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the round off. I'm going to be giving you some tips and some drills to get your round off in one day. So let's get straight into the video. Subscribe, like, and comment if you think you're gonna like this video. Okay guys, so first, before you do anything or any skill, obviously you have to stretch. So the first stretch you're going to do is a lunge, just to stretch out your legs. Just a simple lunge, just to stretch out your legs, and do it on both sides. Then do a back stretch. You can do a back bend, or you can just do one of these. And then you're going to stretch out your wrists and your ankles. Okay, now before you also know how to do a round off, you're going to have to know how to do a cartwheel, and that looks like this. Most people know what it looks like, but I'll just show you. And also, you're going to have to know how to do a handstand. It doesn't really matter how long you can hold a handstand for, but yeah, you just don't have to know how to do a handstand. You don't have to, but it kind of helps. So these skills basically help, but you kind of have to know how to do cartwheel, because that's the start of it. So this is what a round off looks like. So it looks like that. So the first things I'm going to show you is drills to basically help you out for doing, help you out with the round off. So the first drill you're going to do is you're basically going to do this. And that just helps you out with the end part. And that kind of helps you out with the end part. You're going to keep on doing that. And after that, you're going to do this instead. Because that's the actual end part of the round off. And it kind of helps you know how to do it, and it does really help. This helped me. So keep on doing that until you know how to do it, and you will be absolutely fine. So now what you're going to do is you're basically going to go like this and do it like that instead. So, because that's how you're going to be in a round off. So basically now I'm going to show you how to do a round off. You're going to start off in a cartwheel. So you can put your leg up, or you can just go like this and jump, or you can run to give yourself more momentum, but you can do it either way. So you're just basically going to do the cartwheel, and when you're in this motion, put your legs together and land down. So you're going to start off as a cartwheel. Straight away, when you think you need to get into a handstand, get into a handstand and land with 2 feet. So you're going to cartwheel, handstand, land with 2 feet. So keep on doing that and keep on practicing. Cartwheel, handstand, land with 2 feet. And that's basically how I got my round off. It is simple if you have a cartwheel, if you have a handstand. It's gonna be pretty simple for you. Or it might not. If it's not simple for you, keep on practicing every single day, because you will get it. I'm determined that you probably will get it. And this is how it looks when you run. Probably just gonna do that again. And it's a really fun skill to do. And if you're thinking why my hair is like this, my ball will fall out my hair. But I will tie it back up after this video. But that's basically how I learned my round off. And again, keep on doing those drills because they actually help out. Those drills help out, and do the round off every single day if you still haven't got it in one day, and I'm sure you will get it. So again, just to recap, do the start of a cartwheel. When you're up in the cartwheel, at the end part, put your legs together and land. So when you're up in a cartwheel, when you're nearly gonna hit the floor, put your legs together and drop on the ground with, well, kind of like land on the ground with 2 feet together like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you did like this video. And comment down below what you want me to do for my next video. And also comment down below if you got your round off or you improved your round off. And bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.